Hey, what's going on, weavers? Tim here again, and which of these do you think is the strongest? These are three types of constrictor knot. Well, the first is really a hitch knot, and I'm not sure if that's the same, but anyhow, these are three knots that can be tied around a post, and let's see which of them is the best. First up is the Clove Hitch. The easiest to tie, and you tie this by wrapping your cord around the post once, then you wrap it over the opposite side, making an X as you cross over the standing end. Wrap it one more time after that, and then to finish, go under the second pass you made over the post. Pull tight and we have our Clove Hitch. This is a great knot because it's super simple and fast to tie. However, it's not the most secure as it can slip or move a little if the cord is jiggled or moved around. Next up, the Constrictor knot. The beginning of this knot is going to be the same start as the Clove Hitch. First, pass over the post and cross over the second to the opposite side. And then after the second pass, this time we're going to pass under the X where the two cords are crossing over on the post. Pull tight and we now have our constrictor knot. This is arguably an even better knot as it is much tighter and also doesn't loosen easily. And finally, if you want to go a step further, this is the boa knot or double constrictor. We're going to start like before, one wrap around the post, but this time we're going to double up the second wrap around. So we have two wraps around the opposite side. From there, we're going to pass the running end under this path here, go under the two passes, and make sure you pass over to the right of the single pass underneath. Then to finish, we're going to go under this single strand on the top right. Pull tight and cinch the knot closed, and we now have our boa/double constrictor knot. Now this is possibly the strongest or most secure, but it does take a few more steps and perhaps a bit more practice to remember. So it's pretty obvious which of these is strongest, but which one would I use the most? I would personally have to go with the constrictor knot as it's faster and easier to tie while remaining a very strong knot. Now in terms of uses, these are just great knots in general to hitch your cord to a post, but you can also use these knots to tie off the top of a sack or bag, or even keep your curtains open. The possibilities are endless. So weavers, let me know in the comments down below which one of these knots you prefer and why. I hope you all found this useful and informative. Thank you all so much for watching, and a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters. Feel free to check out my Patreon page for exclusive content.